Good morning, children. I am Shanti Miss, your last year nursery teacher. How are you all, children? What are you doing? Don't, Amma, children, don't go outside, Amma. Don't go outside. Stay inside only. Whatever you want, you ask your mother to make, she'll make. But don't eat outside food. Don't tell your father to bring anything from outside. Be very careful. Amma, children, Amma, every day Miss is giving you homeworks and all. Dear parents, please follow the link and even WhatsApp. Make your child to do the homework regularly. Some children are doing, some are not doing. Kindly parents, take care of the homework, Amma. If you have any doubt, you call us. Definitely we're going to answer it. Come on now, today. Already yesterday, Miss has explained you English lesson. Today I am going to once again revise, tell you about the lesson. Amma, till now 9 videos are over English. From Miss already started from alphabets, big letters, small letters, and even 2-letter words, 3-letter words are given, even sentence. Dear parents, make your child to learn 2-letter words thoroughly. First, you make them to spell the word several times, and make him to spell, and you make him to write. If he is able to spell only, he can write even after 2-letter words number of times and 3-letter words. If he learns 2-letter words, 3-letter words, then it becomes very easy to read a sentence. Tiny parents, mothers, please take care. We can understand your problem. It is very difficult. If they come to school, we cannot. But everything but present because of this, burden has come on the mother. Please parents, be patient and make your child to kindly learn all these spells. Now today, I am going to explain you about the zoo lesson. Amma, last year you are having a conversation book. Children, last year you are all having this book. Yes, this is conversation book. Parents, please make your child to read this. All topics are there. Even social present, Miss Science and social they are teaching. Vehicles, flowers, domestic animals, wild animals, everything is there in this topic. Once again, make your child to read. Identification. Gradually tell him to read the spellings. Even spellings are here. Please, parents, don't. If you search this book, you will be having this book nursery. Once again, search and make your children to read all these lessons. For every spelling, bird spellings are there, flower spellings. Even present, they are teaching about even zoo. In the last page, zoo lesson is also there. Make the kindly parents make your child to read once. Make one day. Go one lesson. Make them to identify. Even the spelling is there. Make your child. Come on, now. Come on, children. I think you know all this. What are these animals, Amma? Domestic animals. What are these animals? They are domestic animals. They live near our house and around our house also. Amma, children. Come on, children. Look here. We can see all these animals near or around, and even in villages also, when we go to Amma grandmother's house also, we can see all these houses. Near our house also, we can see. Even when we go to this number of, we can see cow, goat, buffalo, donkey, ox, dog. This dog is tamed in the house, Amma. Mostly so many parents. Dog and cats are tamed in the house. Even they put names, tamed animals, they put names, Amma. But dog, they don't call dog, Amma. They call Scooby, Brownsy, some names they are putting, Amma. That you should remember, tamed animal. And sheep, rabbit, camel, cat, horse. This dog and cat are tamed animals. Even some present days, even they are putting tortoise also. They are taming that also. And even birds, some are putting birds also. And these are all domestic animals. Now we go for this. These domestic animals roam down the roads, Amma. We can see cow, goat, buffalo. You see, mostly we see in the morning times we are seeing ox on the roads, several ox, even cats. Present days from last 2 months before that, even camel used to roam around our streets. In Jagannayarpur, we have seen several times this camel is roaming, Amma. Next, what are these, Amma? They are wild animals. What are these animals? Wild animals. See, Amma. These are wild animals. Where do these wild animals live? They don't roam on the roads. Why they don't roam? Because they are very pure. They bite and they kill us, Amma. Thus, these animals live in the forest. These animals won't roam on the bike because they are wild animals. They live in the forest. Where do these all animals live? forest, amma. Adi. If we want to go to the forest, we have to go to the zoo. Zoo in Kakinada, we don't have any zoo. If we want to go, we have to go for Vizag or Hyderabad. Present days we can't go, but in holidays, you ask after this corona, everything gone. You ask your father to take you to zoo. You can see in the zoo, you can see all these animals. Most animals you can see. You see lion, tiger, fox, monkey. Monkey is regularly we are seeing monkeys, amma. Every day it's coming to our houses also. Then cheetah. You can't see cheetah here. You can see in zoo only. In forest we can see. And leopard, wolf, bear, rhino, elephant, zebra, giraffe, wild buffalo. Even wild buffalo you can't see. You can see in the forest. Kangaroo, deer, giraffe, hippopotamus. These animals will live in the forest because it won't roam on, it won't roam. Because if it comes out, it kills everyone. As well, they live in the forest only. If you go, that's why some animals they are putting in the zoo. If we want to see, we should go to zoo. Here we don't have. We want to see, we have to go to Vizag or Hyderabad. In holidays, next year holidays, April, May, summer vacation, ask your father to take you to the zoo. Take you to the zoo. Come on. Now, Trisha Miss has explained you about this at the zoo. At the zoo lesson. Here we can see some animals. We can see some animals here. Here in this lesson, here we can see the tiger here, Amma. Here we can see the tiger. Only one tiger. Here the tiger. What the tiger is? It is introducing itself. See, morning when I have come to class, what I said first after coming to class? I am Shanti. I'm your nursery teacher. See, I am introducing singly. I am Shanti. I am nursery teacher. Morning when I came to class, I introduced myself. Here also in the zoo, here this tiger is introducing. I am. Here you see the tiger is. I am Sher Singh. What she said? I am Sher Singh. I am a tiger. Amma, children, see here. You see the tiger. It's introducing itself. I am. Only one tiger is there, children. You see here. Only one tiger. It is introducing itself. How it is introducing? I am Sher Singh. I am Sher Singh. I am a tiger. Amma, even in zoo, animals, number of animals. For looking after this tiger, they are put in the cage, Amma. For these tigers, 2-3 tigers will be. For look after 1, 2, 3, 4 members will be there. They will be looking after this. Even they'll put names, Amma. They'll call by the names to recognize. In the same way, that's why it is telling its name. I am Sher Singh. What is saying? I am Sher Singh. See, I told you, I am Shanti. I am nursery teacher. I am your nursery teacher. In the same way, here the tiger is introducing. So only one tiger. I am. She's saying here. I am Sher Singh. I am a tiger. Once again, children. I am Sher Singh. I am a tiger. Next we come here. You see one single bear here. See, even this bear is introducing itself. I am Babu. What is the bear name, Mama? Babu. What is the bear name? Babu. I am Babu. Only one. She is introducing herself. I am Babu. The bear is saying, I am Babu. I am a bear. I am a bear. Then next here you see the wolf. Even single wolf is standing. Only one wolf. You have to remember, it is only one. It is introducing itself. I am Willie. I am Willie. What is the wolf name? I am Willie. I am a wolf. I am a wolf. Then next, monkey. You see a monkey is there. I am Chotu. I am Chotu. The monkey's name is Chotu. It is very simple. I am Chotu. I am a monkey. Amma, the monkey, what it is saying? I am Chotu. I am monkey. It is introducing itself. I am monkey. I am Chotu. I am a monkey. Same way I am telling you about. I introduced myself. The same way here in the zoo, the animals are introducing themselves. Then here, I am Ben. I am Ben. I am Ben. It is introducing itself. I am Ben. The zebra. I am a zebra. I am a zebra. Once again, children, the zebra is introducing itself. I am Ben. I am a zebra. Then here you can see number of swans. Not one swan, children. You see here how many swans are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 are swans. 4 swans are there, not one. Here only one is there. That's why singular, one person. Only one thing. That's why they said I. But here you can see number of swans. Children, are you seeing here the swan? You can see this beautiful. The swan is very beautiful. You can see this swan in Bahubali picture. Even someone dance is there in this swan, Amma. Very beautifully the song is picturized. Because in the swan only, the song is picturized, Amma. See, it's very beautiful. You can see 4 swans swimming in the water. 4. But not one, now there are 4 swans. Then means there are 4 and more swans. If more this are there, what they are saying? We are swans. We are swans. Here one is there. When one singular is there, we say I. Here 4 swans. Number of swans are there. We are swans. We are swans. Then here you see monkeys here. Not monkey. 3 monkeys. 1, 2, 3. Children, you count with your finger. See, if not one monkey is there, they could have told because so many swans. That's why they didn't tell the name. Just what is it? We are swans. We are swans. Here 3 monkeys are there. 1, 2, 3. 3 monkeys are there. We are monkeys. We are monkeys. We and more are there. I'll explain you on the blackboard. Come on, children. Look here. I am. If you tell about yourself, single. I am. See capital letter I am. A-M-am. When you tell about yourself one person, you should use I you should use them. I am. A-M-am. 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 Dear parents, make your child to spell the word number of times from parents. Please parents, please mother, please make your child to read number of times. A-M-am. A-M. I am. I am. I am Shanti. Here in this lesson you can see I am Sher Singh. This tiger is introducing itself. One person, about one. The animal is only one tiger. When this one is there, you say I am. I am. Then W-E-V. 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 V means more. One is there, we say one. Here V. We see V into more amount. You see here V. Number of swans are there, more. When we say number of more, 2 or 3 if you get, you should say V. You should say V, plural amount. Here you see 4 swans are there. Then V, more swans are there. Then you should say V, W-E-V. W-E-V. Once again children, W-E-V. W-E-V. Then here I have written the spelling of Sher Singh. Once why I wrote when you write anyone's name, when you write your name, the starting letter should be a capital letter. Any name, mama. Always the name should be a capital letter. Sher, yes. Always when you write your name, the starting letter should be a capital letter. Sher, S-H-E-R, Sher. Yes, H-E-R, Sher. Once again, yes, H-E-R, Sher. Singh, even two names have, even this letter should be a capital letter, not one name. Here 2 names have come here. Sher Singh. Always when you write name, the starting letter should be a capital letter, not only Sher. Even Singh is there. Even Singh, yes, should be a capital letter. Yes, I-N-G-H. Singh. Once again, children. Yes, I-N-G-H. Sher Singh. Full name is Sher Singh. What is the tiger's name, Mama? The tiger's name is Sher Singh. In this lesson, the tiger is introducing itself. What is this tiger's name? Sher Singh. What is the tiger's name, Mama? Sher Singh. I tiger's name? This tiger's name is Sher Singh. It is a tiger, Amma. Then, next here, B-A-B-U, Babu. B-A-B-U, Babu. See, Amma, when you write a name, Babu is also name. The starting letter should be a capital letter. The starting letter should be a capital letter. B-A-B-U, Babu. B-A-B-U, Babu. Here, who is Babu here? Babu is a bear. Who is Babu, Amma? Who is Babu? Babu is a bear. Children, see here, this Babu is introducing itself. I am Babu. It's telling Amma, I am Babu. It's telling its name. I am only one bear. Only one bear. It's telling I am Babu. I am a bear. I am a bear. Here, what is the bear's name, Amma? Bear's name is Babu. What is the bear's name? Bear's name is Babu. I am Babu. What the bear is saying? I am Babu. B-A-B-U. Babu. B-A-B-U. Babu. What is the bear's name, Amma? What, Amma? Who is Babu? Who is Babu in this, Amma? Who is Amma? Babu is a bear. Babu is a bear. Next, Willy. W-I-L-L-Y. Willy. W-I-L-L-Y. Willy. Willy is also one name. Wolf's name. It's also a name. The starting letter should be a capital letter. Willy is a wolf. Is it? But starting always for the names, the starting letter should be a capital letter. W-I-L-L-Y. Willy. W-I-L-L. Who is Willy here in this lesson? Willy is a wolf. Willy is a wolf, Amma. Who is Willy? Willy is a wolf. Willy is a wolf. Then, next. Then what is the next? What is the next name here? C-H-O-T-U. Chotu. C-H-O-T-U. Chotu. C-H-O-T-U. Chotu. Who is Chotu in this lesson, children? Who is Chotu? Chotu is a monkey. See here, children. In the lesson, who is Chotu? Chotu is a monkey. I am Chotu. See here, Amma. I am Chotu. I am a monkey. Who is Chotu in this lesson? Chotu is a monkey. Chotu, who is Chotu? Chotu is a monkey. Children, Amma, see. What is this monkey named Chotu? Who is Chotu? Chotu is a monkey. Who is Chotu, Amma? Chotu is a monkey. C-H-O-T-U. Chotu. Children, once again. C-H-O-T-U. Chotu. Once again. C-H-O-T-U. Chotu. Once again. C-H-O-T-U. Chotu. Spell the word of a children. Why? Make your mother, tell your mother to spell the word. Dear parents, please spell the word and make them to read several times. C-H-O-T-U. Chotu. C-H-O-T-U. Chotu. Then next, Ben. B-E-N. It's also a name. Starting letter is a capital letter. Even for Chotu, C is the capital. Always when you write, the starting letter should be a capital letter. Anyone, Amma, anyone. The starting letter, when you write your name, the starting letter should be a capital letter. B-E-N. Ben. B-E-N. Ben. B-E-N. Who is Ben here? Ben is a zebra. Who is Ben here, Amma? Ben is a zebra. You can see that it's having white and black stripe. Who is Ben? Ben is a zebra. Who is Ben here? Ben is a zebra. Who is Babu? My word, Babu. Who is Babu here? Babu is a bear. Then who is Babu here? Babu is a bear. And who is Chotu? Who is Chotu? Chotu is a monkey. Then who is this? It is Sher Singh. What I am Sher Singh. Sher Singh, who is Sher Singh? Sher Singh is a tiger. Who is Sher Singh? Sher Singh is a tiger. What is its name? Its name is tiger. Sorry, Sher Singh. It's a tiger. What is its name? Its name is Sher Singh. Now we go for the spellings. Children, here spellings are there. Here, see here. Put your finger and read them. W-O-L-F. Wolf. Why did you put your finger and the word? You read several times. Make your mother to spell the word and you to spell it right. Definitely you will get a number of times. Dear parents, make your child to read the word number of times. Definitely they will get. W-O-L-F. Wolf. Once again. W-O-L-F. Wolf. Once again. W-O-L-F. Wolf. Come on. W-O-L-F. Wolf. W-O-L-F. Wolf. W-O-L-F. Wolf. Once again. W-O-L-F. Wolf. Next. Zebra. In this lesson, you know, Amma, who is wolf? Wolf is a what? Who is wolf? Wolf is a very who is what? Then zebra. What is the zebra's name? What is the zebra symbol? Bell. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Amma, you know zebra, it's having a black and white strip, zebra. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Z-E, even in the nursery you have, in the domestic animals you have. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Several times you read, spell, definitely you get the spelling, Amma. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Put your finger and you read. Put your finger on the book and you read, Amma. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Once again. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Once again. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Now we read the spelling of swan. S-W-A-N, swan. Yes, W-A-N, swan. Once again, children. Yes, put your finger and you read. Yes, W-A-N, swan. Come on, once again. Yes, W-A-N, swan. Children, you should say loudly, Amma. Yes, W-A-N, swan. Read loudly. Recite, Amma. Yes, W-A-N, swan. Yes, W-A-N, swan. Now, tiger. Now we read the spelling of tiger. Tiger. Who is tiger? Tiger is a shared thing, Amma. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Children, you should say. Come on. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Come on once again. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Next, we go for bear. Who is bear? Babu. B-E-A-R. Bear. B-E-B-E-A-R. Bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. In this lesson, who is Babu? Babu is a bear. Who is Babu? Babu is a bear in this lesson. Children, you remember who is Babu? Babu is a bear in this lesson. B-E-A-R. Bear. Once again. B-E-A-R. Bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. Next, we go for the next spelling. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Every day we see now. Every day they are coming to us. They are eating whatever is outside. They are eating and then going off. Even snatching everything. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. For monkey we don't need to go to zoo. In the house only we are seeing every day it's coming to our houses. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Once again, children. Say loudly and you read, Amma. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Amma, children, you should read loudly. Then only you will get the spelling. Dear parents, please make your child to read the spell the word loudly. Even you spell and make him to spell very loudly. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Children, come on, children, learn all these words. First you make your children, parent, make your children to spell all these words and make them to read several times. Thank you.